Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm kind of doing the last lot of Greenlight collectibles in my collection. I've got about 5 in today's video. I've got a John Wick 2 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396. I've got a 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. I've got a 1967 Shelby GT500. And I've got these two beautiful GMC Denali HD trucks. They're both 2022 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali pickup trucks. As always, I only save the best for last, so I'll do the 3 muscle cars first, then move on to the trucks. Alright guys, starting off with this beautiful Chevrolet Chevelle SS396 that was seen in the movie John Wick 2. If you haven't seen the movie, it's a beautiful movie. I like the first one. That's the best out of the 3 that they've made so far. High intense action, pretty good job done by Keanu Reeves, so highly recommend it. Take a look at this beauty, guys. Absolute stunning in Highland green with white racing stripes, painted headlights. It's got a license plate, SS on the front grille, chrome bumper, license plate, and painted taillights. Beautiful chrome accents as well. And this one's got some opening parts. Yep. Looks pretty neat, guys, for the scale. Okay, looking at the next one, I've got this beautiful 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. The good thing about this model, compared to the Johnny Lightning or Auto World, Greenlight didn't disappoint by giving us the side mirrors. It's got that nice white, yellow, and red shell livery throughout. Shell Oil Special Edition, guys. There's other models in the series, but I only got my hands on this one. It's a pretty neat model, guys. Very nicely detailed and finished. I might put some chrome on these 2 rings over here. I don't know if there's any moving parts. Oh, there are. Okay. Very impressed. It's got Shell written on the windscreen, Shell logo on top, Shell on the boot, painted taillights, chrome exhausts, .22 on the side. Quite like it, guys. Okay, next up is this beautiful 1967 Shelby GT500. I love the blue color scheme with the white racing stripes. All right, let's get them out of the pack. Take a look at this, guys. GT500 on the side, with a single race stripe. Beautiful 5-spoke rims. I love the blue and the white racing stripes. I'm loving the chrome accents all over. Painted headlights, grille, painted taillights, chrome exhaust. I wish they added a license plate, but I've got a few, so I might just put one on. Moving parts, I think the hood pops up. Yes, it does. Pretty neat model, guys. Alright guys, we're down to the last two. I've got these beautiful GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali pickup trucks made by Greenlight. I'm guessing as a collab with Carson Diecast Co. So pretty hard to find, but I managed to buy them online. Pretty expensive as well when you consider the postage costs, but very happy to finally acquire a couple of my own pieces. Alright, let's have a look at the black one first, then I'll leave the white for the end. Guys, take a look at this GMC Denali base, guys. I quite like Greenlight's detailing, but it looks like they went above and beyond to make this look more realistic, guys. Look at that beautiful GMC logo on the grille. Look at those wide side mirrors. Beautiful dark jet black with chrome accents. Side steps. 5-spoke rims. Pretty detailed rear with GMC Denali. Hope you guys can see it. And a license plate. It's got a tow bar, metal chassis, double wheels on the rear. I can only imagine how majestic this vehicle looks in real life, but yeah, pretty impressed with Greenlight, guys. Alright guys, the last one is another beautiful, the exact same model in white, 2022 GMC Sierra Denali. Looking pretty neat and beautiful, guys. I also wanted to get the navy blue version or the Spectraflame navy blue and also the military green, but hard to find, and if you do find them, they're very expensive when you consider the postage costs as well. But quite happy with these two for now. Take a look at this, guys. So beautiful. Very happy to add them to my collection. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Those are all the cars we are to look at today. The first one was a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396. The next one was a 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with a shell livery. The third one was a 1967 Shelby GT500, and the last two were the 2022 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali pickup trucks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all.